Hey guys, what's up? I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm just out here in the back in the garden. I'm just finishing up one last summer planter with my favorite plants, my prize caladiums. Let me just flip the camera and show you what I'm working with. So here's a shot of the caladiums that I finally got my hands on. And I was able to get these caladiums from a wonderful woman named Jaya. And I found Jaya on Facebook Marketplace. Jaya has a whole host of beautiful tropicals and outdoor plants. For anybody that lives in Toronto, I will put the link in the description below, but she is worth checking out. And I got these beautiful caladiums from Jaya, and I decided to do a planter. So one of my favorite YouTube gardeners, Garden Addictz, also made a planter with caladiums, and she called it Rum Punch. So this planter is an ode to Moya from Garden Addictz and her Rum Punch Jamaican inspired planter. So I'm gonna start. Here we go. So we got our proven winners, Super Bells Tropical Sunrise, as well as our begonias here. We got a variety of colors, a soft yellow, soft peach type of color, as well as our Dracaena spike. And we also have these potato vines, these dark potato vines. They're called Black Heart. And this beautiful orangey red begonia, as well as our variety of beautiful caladiums. So I'm adding some organic fertilizer to my potting mix. I usually use a potting mix specially made for containers. I just add some of my old soil that I might have from existing containers with some fresh new potting soil mix. You just want to mix that really well just to give your plants a good chance at establishing some good root growth. So I'll start with the Dracaena spike. I'll put that right in the center of the pot. Caladiums are tropical plants, although I am in a zone 5, and you can grow them in colder climates, whether you put them in pots or put them in the ground, but you have to wait until the ground has warmed up significantly, or else the little tubers will rot if the soil is too cold. But you can start them indoors in early spring just to get a head start on the season. Now, most of the caladium varieties can be planted in either a sunny or a shady location, but if you're planting them in the sun, just make sure that they get some shade during the hottest part of the day, or else you'll get some crispy leaves, and nobody wants that. They prefer a nice, fertile, well-drained soil. Now here we have our proven winners, Super Bells Tropical Sunrise. Super Bells, or Calibrachoas, are sun worshippers and do best in full sun. Just keep the soil, the container, moist throughout the growing season. Don't let the container dry out, which is the same for any container that you have during the summer. And make sure you fertilize regularly. Now, caladiums are grown mostly for their beautiful foliage, and there are hundreds and hundreds of different varieties of these beautiful plants. Now, they do flower. They're not really known for their flowers, but they do flower. And I just usually cut the flowers off as they start to sprout to just encourage the plant to continue to put out beautiful new leaves. Tuberous begonias are also tropical plants. They love the hot sun, but not too much direct sunlight. They do like some filtered, shady spots throughout the day so that they don't burn their leaves. You can also deadhead these, take out any spent blooms and any leaves that might have fallen to keep some air circulation throughout the plant, keep it well moist, and you can fertilize as well, and they will just produce amazing flowers for you throughout the season. And here we have the Moya batatas, or in other words, the sweet potato vine black heart. Now, I love this dark foliage on this sweet potato vine. It kind of gives this tropical Jamaican rum punch planter a nice dark mood. So here is my finished container with my caladiums, my Jamaican Rum Punch, inspired by Moya of Garden Addictz. So I have 3 different types of beautiful caladiums in there. I even managed to peek in some black heart potato vine. That was kind of hard to come by. I don't know what's going on with the potato vine scare around here. And we got the Super Bells Proven Winners Tropical Sunrise. Now look at that. When that grows up, that's going to be something in there. And I snuck a few begonias in there for good measure. So I can't wait to see how this grows up. Thanks, Moya of Garden Addictz. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.